Hello guys and welcome to this training video. So today I will show you how you can add Typli to your WordPress blog. So basically, if you log into your Typli.AI account, go to your integrations, you will see that Typli is available everywhere. So if you are using, if you have a WordPress blog, you can add our extension and you can start using Typli inside your WordPress blog. Also, you can add it to your Mozilla browser, Chrome, so that you can have it everywhere you need to generate content. So in today's video, I will show you how you can integrate Typli with your WordPress. So first thing you need to do, you need to, of course, download the plugin. So go to your WordPress blog. So scroll down and look for plugins, add new. Here we go. So you need to upload the extension that you have already downloaded, install. So give it some time. Here we go. It was fast. So activate. So you are going to see that there is like a new menu item here on the left. So click on settings. You will be asked to submit your key. So where can you get your key? So simply go to your profile here, copy your key from here, sorry, paste your key, and of course you can set the default number of words that it will be generated. So click activate, and you see, of course you should see a confirmation on the top like this. So let's give it some time. Here we go. So you are 100% ready to use Typli inside your WordPress blog. So I will show you how you can do so. So create a new post. Of course, we will have another video with more details about how to use it properly and how to tweak it so that you get the best out of it. So let's type, for example, what is Twitter, for example. This is just select, click here. Here we go. You have the generate AI content. Here we go. So Twitter is a microblogging service that etc. etc. and you have paragraphs. So it's up to you then to make sure you update your text. So to get the blog post that you are looking for. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.